ETC, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned about different possibility and how we can look for buy. As you can see, the way it was moving is really corrective, and one of the option was to have entry above the top. But the only times we mentioned we can have entry above the top if we get a sharp move and price tag, break, and continue. As we can see, the way it was moving is really corrective. That's mean having entry above the top was not valid because we mentioned if the price continues as a corrective move, we are not going to have entry above the top. Anyway, as we can see, the price almost take the top. If we zoom in, almost break and then reverse. Then if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. Now we want to see what's the next. Can we expect this one to give us one more drop similar to what we have here for this flat? Then from there we look for buy. All right. Anyway, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, if we mention if the price break the previous low, this is where we can expect the price to drop. And still we put our lines here. The only thing is if we want to look for trade right now, we can look expect this one drop some more as a running flat. Then if we get any trade set up for buy from there, we can look for. And the target is still we keep it as a 995.6. All right. Anyway, if we want to look for buy, let this one drop some more since we have a divergence. And in this case, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. If we move to daily chart, the only thing is we have been looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. We want to see whether we can get the correction for continuation or not. And we don't have anything else to discuss. And if I move to forward chart, the only thing is we're looking at this correction. The way it's moving is really corrective. If there is a continuation, for sure we can get the expect to get the deeper correction before we get the next move. And can we put this one as a flat in relative to this? Since most of the charts we have it, but we cannot confirm with that right now. And if the way is forming, if we get the drop, the one is I don't think can retest the previous low. The only thing is we get the deeper correction. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup either based on forward chart. The best thing is if we move to 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, if you wants to look for buy, let this one drop some more. We can put this one as a running flat. Then any reversal from there, we can look for buy. And if the price continue as a corrective move, I don't think we can get a really good trade setup unless we trade based on 15 minutes. And still, we can put this one as a running flat. And one thing I need to highlight here, if there is a continuation as a sharp correction, then this is where we need to be quite careful. Maybe this one is the start of the down move or deeper correction. Okay, if we see any continuation as a sharp correction, this is where we should wait if we want to look for sell. We see the bigger picture of this correction. All right. Anyway, as long as the price haven't broke the previous low, we can put this one as a running flat. But if the price tag or break the previous low, we mentioned how deep it can go because we can expect even this one as I explained based on forward chart. Anyway, let this one then drop some more. Then we see what type of the flat we get before we look for the reversal. And still we can look for buy. In this case, we just follow the chart. We don't have any trade setup yet. If I see any trade setup, I will share. The only thing is since the price was within this move, we have been looking for buy and this is what we get. And whoever get the trade from here, if still they keep the trade, at least they should book some profit. And in case this one turn to a deeper correction. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.